Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Find My Device to find your lost or stolen Android phone. Find My Device is a free service from Google that can help you track down your phone if it's ever lost or stolen. To use Find My Device, you'll need to have enabled location services on your phone and have a Google account signed in. Once you've enabled location services and signed into your Google account, you can use Find My Device to track your phone's location on a map. You can also use Find My Device to play a sound on your phone, lock your phone, or erase your phone's data. To track your phone's location, go to the Find My Device website or open the Find My Device app on another Android phone or tablet. Sign in with the same Google account that you use on your lost phone. Once you're signed in, you'll see a map with the location of your phone. If your phone is offline, you'll see the last known location of your phone. If you want to play a sound on your phone, click or tap the play sound button. This will make your phone ring even if it's on silent. If you want to lock your phone, click or tap the lock button. This will prevent anyone from accessing your phone without your PIN or password. If you want to erase your phone's data, click or tap the erase button. This will delete all of the data on your phone, including your photos, contacts, and apps. I hope this video has shown you how to use Find My Device to find your lost or stolen Android phone. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below.
I will show you the steps in the next video as this video's part 2.
Thanks for watching.